Last time on Races to Places, Kinga, Lyndon, Chile and Basil took a look at the Obliska Vaxum.
Well, this is the view over Gondar this morning in Ethiopia. Lovely morning. It's 6:30, the sun's already up. Can I go inside? Can I go sit? It's okay? Okay, let's go check it out. Oh yeah. Hey. How fast? How many?
Speedometer.
But how fast this speed? 60 kilometers per hour?
Yeah.
Apparently these things do 60 kilometers an hour.
This morning, Lyndon is making his way across Gondar to take a look at the castle.
So there's really no way to get a really good film shot of this castle without using the drone. So we're going to use R2P2. I'm going to launch him and have a fly around. Let's go check out what's up there. Here he is ready. And the controller. And the castle is behind that tree. Wow, that was the most stressful few minutes, I think, of my entire trip. I was flying my drone and the drone decided to land, had a problem. And it just landed where it was and it was way away from me. I'm so thankful that I managed to turn the camera down and see the rooftops in that area so that I could try and find it. I was driving like crazy around the city trying to find my drone. And I homed into about 50 meters of where it was, and I just asked everybody, and then I found this this gentleman here. He had it. He had it for me. Thank you so much. Thank you, friend. He took it, gave it to me. I'm gonna give him some money. He didn't want anything, but here it is. I am so freaking lucky to get that R2P2 drone back.
Time to oil the chain and check the levels on Basil. Lyndon is using Motorex lubricants on Basil. If you want further information, then check them out at www.motorex.com.
Beautiful morning here, the sun's shining. It's just coming up to 7 AM, so it's a perfect time to start riding today. Can't wait to get out there.
So back on the road, and the plan today is to circle around Lake Tana, and then Lyndon and Basil will make their way to the Sudan border. No rush here, boys. Looks like these donkeys are holding the traffic up.
This map, this is where I have been. I can't believe your English is so good. You learn here? Wow, really good, really good. Most people speaking a little English. Nice, nice. No, I'm going to go back. But thank you very much. Thank you, my friend. Thanks, appreciate it. See you. Tell me what the gun is. What's the name? The beast, and it's a AK what? What's the number? AK.
What's the number?
47, 36. What's the number?
Me is on 30.
30. 30 inside, but it's a AK-65.
Yeah.
You're shooting everything.
Everything. Yeah.
What about me?
What?
Yeah. No, come on, no. No shooting me. Good times up here in the mountains on Lake Tana, yeah?
Yeah. Yes.
Lake Tana. Really good people, just hanging around. Made some pictures and some video. Good times. So I just want to show you something here. Look how these little villages they've set up like a water system that runs for miles down the side of the street. I've just stopped outside of the village because it's nice and quiet to show you. But there's like a trench and they've taken water from the Blue Nile River. This goes for like 20 kilometers. I've just been riding down this road and the water the whole way is constantly trickling down here. Very impressive. Good.
It looks like they're running things nice and smoothly at this border crossing. This should be straightforward.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Hello. Thank you so much. How are you? You are good? I see it. Galabat Office Passport Immigration. Yes. Someone else trying to rip me off with the exchange rate. So customs apparently is just after these somewhere here. Yeah. customs yard. We're all done now, so not a bad process actually. Yeah, about just over an hour and a quarter, something like that. It's so freaking hot. Wow. What is the rate in Khartoum? They told me 6 in Khartoum. What can you give me? Give me 5. Sorry, my friend.
Through the border crossing without a hitch, but it does look like the temperatures are soaring here in Sudan.
I have to go to the immigration in Khartoum within 3 days and pay for my registration. But not a bad border process actually. Pretty impressed. Everybody knew what they were doing and no surprises. Wonder which side of the road we are on. Hello, how are you? Whew. How are you? Sorry? Going to Khartoum. Hello, how are you? Good. Thank you. The papers. Yeah. You are very thorough here. You're checking the number, everything is good. It's a very good process. Hey. How are you? Wow, just knocked out like 400 kilometers in the extreme heat. Honestly, I haven't had anything as hot as this since I was in the Atacama on the Dakar Rally. It's absolutely brutal. Whew, it's so hot. So what I've found out is that because of the president standing down and the country being taken over by the military, nobody likes anything being filmed. So nothing's allowed to be filmed, so I'm just using the helmet camera. But what I've also found out is that all the people that there's no money and cash machines, there's no ATMs, there's no way no ATMs working, there's no way to get cash other than changing it from US dollars on the black market. But all the touts that are changing money are obviously doing it as a business. Whereas if you find somebody private that's willing to do it, you get a much better rate. Oh, these people invited me into their home and even turned the air conditioning on, look. Winner! So nice in here. It's freaking hot. Woo! So here I am in this family's home and it's now Ramadan, so it's fasting time, and so they cannot eat in the daytime, only after the sunset. So you can hear now the praying from the mosque. This means that the sun has set, this is the sign, and then people can sit down as a family and eat. So that's what we're doing now. So I've just stopped here on the side of the road. It's something that I've been meaning to cover for so long after riding through Africa, and I just had the opportunity to do it here. And that's the production of charcoal in Africa. And let me just show you the charcoal here. There's charcoal, yeah? So we have these bags of charcoal. The locals, they cut the trees down and they make the charcoal because the charcoal is a stable way of cooking, eating, making fire. It lasts for a long time, so they can boil water and cook food and everything like that. So they make the charcoal themselves. Now, in every country all over Africa, I've seen this where the bags of charcoal line the roads. The only country that I didn't see it is Zimbabwe, and that's because deforestation is banned. So if they get found to be making charcoal, then obviously they're being illegal because they've cut trees down to do it. So it's pretty I just wanted to share that. I've been meaning to stop and do it for country after country and never found the opportunity to stop and talk about that. So here it is, the production of charcoal in Africa.
Next time on Races to Places, things get heated out on the highway.
Hi everyone, thanks so much for watching Races to Places. Please check out the link to my Patreon page below where you can find special features and pre-released episodes of Races to Places. I look forward to your messages and comments on there.